Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are playing Fortnite Battle Royale on PC for the second time. I haven't recorded it though. So let's go to baby! Okay, skydive now. Look at that speed, bro, look at that speed. Of course, now I'm gonna make you pull up my parachute. Oh, of course you are. Yes, you are, because you don't like me, Fortnite. Now you might be wondering why is your graphics so weird. I will change that, so don't worry. It's just for today, so live with it. There's no chest. Wow. Well. Ow! Stupid fall damage. Oh, I'm throwing on foot. Oh. Crap. Get some wood. Let's get some wood, boy. Let's get this wood. Pow, pow, pow. Ooh, 36 wood. My man. Thank God. Ooh. Is that why I think it's that bandage? Oh no, that's a brick, I think. Yeah, brick. I knew it. I have steps. I have a gun. Ah! Thank you. Thank you. I could do with a pistol. Ain't that sad? I need bandages. So that chest up there has bandages. Oh. I didn't know life had a couple. I thought someone was right behind me. I was gonna be. Dang. I don't want to end it this way. No, I want to take that. No, because we could do it like that. Thank you. Thank you very much. Then you go up here. Look at this chest. Oh, bandages! Bandages. So, medikit? Medkit. Okay, I need you. Come on! Today, Junior! Today! Thank you, I need that. And then what's over here? Is that typical shotgun ammo? Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. Yes, because that should be. Okay, let's go to I. Switch that right there. Throw that out. Actually, on 3 ammo. I should actually, I should keep that. If I get anything good, I'm treating with that. Okay. Get that out. So that no one want to fight with me. That tactical shotgun, boy. And I have M16. This is what we call it in Call of Duty and much other games. But they call it an assault rifle in this game. But I guess you can call it an assault rifle because it basically is an assault rifle. Oh, what's up there? I see that. Okay, let's get that out. No, get Q. Thank you. Mine this. Oh, just do the platform. Oh. Ooh, the star's moving again. Thank you. Oh God. I don't have any shield either. Get back here. Don't think you're gonna run from the T-Man. You can't escape me. What are you shooting at? Oh, dang it. I would've got it. What was your health at? What was your health at? Oh, she had her shields. You're evil. You're evil. Curse you. What's gonna do now? Turn the lobby. Damn. That stunk. That was a big bummer. I might do one more round, but or this might just be like a 6-minute video. Better for me in life. Okay. I think I might do one more round, but I will be right back. So, see you in a bit. I'm back. I don't know if I said that late, but yeah, so I am back. We're getting back into another match of Fortnite Battle Royale. So Battle Royale, drop in, load up, stay inside of the item store. Last one standing wins. There's only one winner. Can there? Ba ba ba. Yeah, there could basically only be one winner. It's my emote. That music though. Here, once we do I'll do the Obama style. That boy, that's just clapping with. You're grounded. Okay, where are we heading to? So let's go into. I should have checked the map earlier. Oh, I don't think we'll have enough time to get over there. I have before. So now that route has I could actually make it over there if I jump now. Okay, now that we've gotten a bit lower, we can possibly glide over there. I mean, it is possible. Da da do 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 do. And if we hit 50 subscribers, I will be doing something with Fortnite. Will it be a spending spree? Or will it be a winning spree? You'll see. Just hit that subscribe button and that like button and comment down below what you want next. Is it Fortnite? Or is it Roblox? Or is it Call of Duty? So whatever you want, and I will see what I can do. Okay, pretty sure if I get over, I'm just gonna start skydiving. It is possible to go over there. People are already killing. Move it over a bit. And just skydive. Oh, come on, you make me do that? Really? Well, I just see dangling feet. Nothing positive, just a high-tech parachute. Just landing. Okay. Ooh, store my strengths. Well, that was sad. How was I already be there? I don't know, but I mean, that was a short round. I'll see you guys in the next round when it actually starts. So I'm just wasting a bunch of time. So yeah. So we're back. Another match. I don't know if I should jump here, but I do know a lot of people are going for their prison. Yeah, people are going for their prison. I didn't even know I put shock point there. We'll jump over here. Get that. Oh, but I might have been pressing W, pressing E. Start skydiving. When you press W and look down, for some odd reason for me, it looks like it goes really fast. Here we go here. Find here. The quality of the game is not that good, but I mean, come on, it's Fortnite. Who cares? Okay, I got that pistol. Why chest guy? What? Well, I mean, that was the short round of Fortnite. I mean, I didn't even get to live for one bit. But see, these type of people like to camp with all people. Oh, life's just the best, man. You know, didn't even get a kill. One round. Oh, there, here. I think I did the last round. I don't know. Comment down below if I did. I was just about to loot that chest. Are you kidding me? A sniper? Well, snipers aren't that good, but I could have been like done some camping. Boy. Well, I mean, that's Fortnite for you guys, or for me. Comment down below, like I said in the middle of the video, what you want next. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.